Hi, thank you for watching this tutorial about how to make multi-track videos using Final Cut Pro. So first we are going to assume that you already have in your library your audio and video files. The first thing I do is I like to select all the video files and the master audio file. You right click and select Synchronize Clips. This will automatically sync all your clips to the audio, so all the audio will match. And there is your synchronized clip, and I like to drag that to the timeline. And then this sounds backwards, but then I go select the clip and I'm going to break apart the clipped items, because once they're synchronized they all line up exactly according to the audio file. And now I'm going to align them all with my master audio clip so they all start at the same time as the master audio clip. I have selected all the videos and delete the audio for all the videos. Drag my timeline so that also matches the master audio. Now I'm going to select all but one. You know, if you highlight and hit your V button, it will make those clips inactive. So now I'm just going to take the first clip and I'm going to apply an effect that I purchased through FPC Effects, Skin Smoother. It's a third-party plugin. I use it on every video of mine. That's how I hide my age. Little insider secret there. You would never know how old I really am, and I'm never going to tell. Okay, so now I'm just adjusting the color of this clip. I've already given myself a little skin smoother. Now I'm taking away the yellow hue. So I'm doing kind of all my editing to this one clip. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the clip, which on your Mac computer you can do with Command C, but I'm just going to visually show you here in the edit menu. Now I'm going to select all those other clips. Again, I'm going to hit V to make them active. And now instead of paste, I'm just going to select paste effects. So now all the effects that I put on that first clip will show on all the other clips. So now they all have the skin smoother and the coloring that I edited. So now with all those clips selected, all 6 clips selected, I can move my margins, my cropping, the right and left side and the top, and I'm doing them all at the same time. So they all will have the same, I need to do a little bit more on the right side. They all will have the same cropping now because I have them all selected and I've cropped them all. So now I'm going to take the transform tool and I can see I need to make these a little smaller because I have 6. I need to fit 6 in here. So I'm going to go a little bit smaller, drag, drag, drag. When you have them all selected and you have the transformer button selected, you can move all of them, kind of like drag and drop. You can just move everything. But now you see they're uneven. So now I'm going to go here to my transform box and set them all to 0 so that they all are exactly the same. And then I can slide with the Y. I can slide them up and down, and the X I can move them left and right. I have combined all 6 clips into one compound clip. Then I can do some further editing with them all grouped into one clip. So what we're going to do now is create a reflective floor. I'm going to take this compound clip and I'm going to raise the bottom crop up to the level of my clips. I'm going to take the top and lower it down to the level of my clips. And then we're going to copy what we have, Command C for copy, or go to the edit menu, and putting the playhead to the beginning, we're going to paste an exact copy of that clip. So it has copied all the editing, the crop editing that we did. Now select the lower clip, because that will be our reflective floor. Using the transform tool, you can invert it by dragging the bottom to the top. And using your Y, you can lower it. And I like to leave a little bit of a gap there just to create some space. And now we're going to apply the gradient mask to the lower clip. And because we inverted the clip, I have to invert my mask. So take the mask and sort of flip it around. Okay, so we're going to lift the whole thing up and kind of drag it to where you think it looks like a nice reflection. And that's all there is to that. It's pretty simple. So now I just want to show you how to add a background scene so that it looks like the singers are sitting on a stage. I'm going to use just a background generator that I got from Pixel Film Studios, and stretch it to the length of your session project. And you want to put the background as the lowest layer so that it's in the background. I'm going to take the entire file and lift it up using the Y in the transform box. And now I'm going to make an exact copy of this, set the playhead to the beginning, and paste in my copy. Final Cut automatically puts it on the top, so I'm going to drag it back down to be with its partner. Selecting the lowest one, you can take your transform tool and sort of squish it down in size. And then using the Y button, you can slide it down. I think I need to make it just a little bit bigger. I squished it down too far. So I'm going to slide it down. This is going to be the floor, but we're going to do something to it so it doesn't look just like the top. Using the color tool, I'm going to darken it so it's definitely darker than the background. And I still see too much white stuff. So now I'm going to go use the opacity tool and bring down the opacity. So now it kind of looks like a floor with reflections of the swirly stuff. So here is an example of one of my latest videos, Ferris Lord Jesus, where I have 4 separate boxes, 3 singers and 1 piano, sitting on a reflective floor. And what I did was exactly what I did in this tutorial. The videos are clipped together in one compound clip. I've given them a reflection using the gradient tool, and the background is just a generator with a reflection of the generator on the bottom half, darkened so that it looks like a shiny floor. And that's all there is to it. So I hope this was helpful to you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to see all my music videos, and I hope you visit again. Thank you.